Hello everyone and welcome back to CarWale. I'm Bilal and believe it or not, it's September of 2022 already. So in this video, you and I will be discussing in detail all the upcoming cars that are expected to arrive in this month. So strap on your seatbelts, hit the like button, subscribe to the CarWale channel and let the journey begin. You simply cannot keep Hyundai out of the news, can you? So last month it was the Tucson and before that it was the Venue facelift. And now the Venue facelift is back in news again because it would be the second car in the Hyundai's lineup to be painted in the thunder blue of the N-line. Yes, after much speculation, the Hyundai Venue N-line is on its way. Bookings of it has already commenced and when it will be launched in India on 6th of September, it will be available in two versions, the N6 and N8. And like the i20 before it, the Venue N-line would be available with only one engine option. It would be the familiar 1-liter turbo petrol and it will be paired with a DCT transmission. Now, there won't be any alternate transmission option like the manual or the Hyundai's IMT. Mahindra is on a roll, there's no doubt about it. We saw no less than 5 electric concept cars last month. And in this month of September, we'll see the arrival of first proper electric Mahindra. It would be called the e-xuv 400 and it would be based on the electric concept that we saw at the 2020 Auto Expo. Currently, we have no official information regarding its technicalities like the battery pack or the output capacity, but we can say that when it arrives, it would carry some styling changes over the standard XUV 300, like it would have blue accents here and there, it would have a spacious cabin and more features added to the mix. And we can also confirm that it would be 4.2 meters in length. With this, the Tata Nexon EV would finally get a direct rival in its space. So what are your thoughts about the upcoming Mahindra e-XUV 400? Do let us know in the comment section below. The next car that's expected to arrive this month is yet another sub-4 meter SUV. It's the Kia Sonet that will finally receive the X-Line update like its sibling the Seltos. Like the Seltos X-Line, the Sonet X-Line will sit on top of the Tech and the GT lineup. It will also get the matte paint scheme with some contrast highlights. Then there could be a larger set of alloy wheels with added features and it could be offered across various powertrain choices as well. It could also get some new segment-first features, but as it will be the range-topping version of the Sonet, it will also be more expensive. Would you get yourself the X-Line Sonet with the added features and higher pricing, or would you get the standard one? We would love to know your opinion, so feel free to share it with us. The competition in the C-SUV segment is stirring up with the arrival of the Maruti Suzuki Grand Vitara and the Toyota Urban Cruiser Hyryder. We have already driven the Hyryder last month and you can find the link to our review somewhere around your screen or in the description below. We'll also be driving the Grand Vitara this month in September and you could expect the first drive review to arrive shortly after. So stay tuned for that. And not only that, we could expect the price reveal of the pair or at least one of them in the month of September. So stay tuned for that as well. Mercedes-Benz India launched their flagship electric sedan, the EQS, in India last month. It's being the electric equivalent of the S-Class. It arrived to our shows as a CBU unit only in the AMG spec. But here's the good part. Mercedes-Benz India would be assembling the EQS right here in the country at their Pune facility. The Made in India EQS will be available in the more viable 450 Plus and 580 trims. Prices for these aren't revealed yet, but since they are being produced right here in India, we can expect much more handsome pricing for these two versions. Compared to the colossal EQS AMG, the EQS 450 produces 328 bhp and 568 Nm, and the EQS 580's 515 horsepower and 855 Nm should be more than abundant. Production of the EQS in the country will begin in September, so we can expect more details about its pricing and availability this month. So there you have it, all the upcoming cars that are expected in the month of September. Which car are you waiting for the most? Do let us know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, why not hit that like button and share it as well. And if you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us on our website www.carwale.com or any of our social media platforms. That's all for today. Until next time.